Next to the mill house.
Oh, I do like to see some rain. Unfortunately, it's not moving our way, is it?
No, it's actually kind of moving more to the northwest here. This is some pretty heavy shower and thunderstorm activity. Fired up all the way down here by Jacksonville, as past Brunswick, past Glenn County. We showed it to you earlier. These are showers and thunderstorms in the Ware County area. Lots of locally heavy rainfall. Very little lightning with that, though. Clouds associated with those storms continuing to move off. Clouds associated with what was Brett. That's now falling apart. Here's Brett falling apart. But look what's over here. We'll stay in the tropics for just a second. We have two waves that we're going to keep our eyes on. This one particularly, now up to a 30% chance of development. That's in a position that could impact our Georgia weather. So I need to watch that one real carefully over the weekend and see how that develops into a favorable area here coming up very shortly. But back to this Waycross rain for just a second. We'll zoom in here just a bit. I want you to see there's a little pocket here, perhaps up to 3 inches of rain just west of Waresboro and over toward Blackshear. That's all this rain is, though, is raining itself out and all done, and no warnings with any of those clusters. There's also lots of rain across the northern tier of states. Still some severe weather through North Dakota, where we've got 7 reports of tornadoes within the past hour. There's also hail reports that come across the northern plains and down into our part of the world, but very little activity here except for that cluster that will rain itself out. So Future Max through the day Saturday keeps most of the shower and thunderstorm activity up across North Georgia. Not much surprise there. Sunday, look at the hole that develops here with the lack of rainfall. And we'd like to see some rain there. It'll stay in coastal areas perhaps. Monday looks like the same kind of hit and miss afternoon showers and thunderstorms. We've got 99 degrees for a high today. The record was 103, no jeopardy there. Over 6 inches below normal, so we do need some rain. 83 degrees our current temperature. Relative humidity at 73%. Not much help on the wind. Pressure is currently steady. 97 was our high for today. Check our temperatures now, and they're falling pretty slowly with the cloud cover. I'm afraid we're not going to get a whole lot of help here tonight unless you're in this yellow area. That's where it was raining earlier, and that rain, in fact, is what has cooled them off just a bit. So your Doppler Max 11 forecast. Warm and muggy for this evening. 77 should be the overnight low. Tomorrow, another day of partly cloudy skies with our heat advisory. 20% chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms. 99 the high. 110 the heat index. 77 for tomorrow night's low. 100 on Sunday with a 20% chance of late day showers and thunderstorms. Then Monday, 20% chance of showers and storms. Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe a 30% chance as a trough comes close at hand, and temperatures will actually cool just a little bit to the lower 90s toward the end of the 7-day forecast. But this is indeed a very hot weekend. If you're poker running first thing tomorrow morning, if you're Buford water festing tomorrow during the day, or wrapping up on Sunday, whatever you've got planned, be heat smart, drink plenty of fluids, wear the lightweight clothing, seek the shade, stay out of the sun if you can, and follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather. Have a good weekend.
You know, a lot of people are going to be heading for the sun, heading for the ocean, heading for the beach. It's quiet on Tybee Island right now, but in a few